It is the day of the big challenge, and the teams are happy with their toasters. Murray from Coleman's team is confident and making bold predictions about the competition.
I think we're going to win easily. This thing, we've just got so much power, we can just ramp that up. We can probably cook toast in under a second, I just about believe.
But both teams are cocky about their toasting inventions. In fact, Andre is characteristically upbeat.
Oh, we'll win.
The challenge? To cook and eat 4 pieces of toast in the fastest time possible. To be judged once again by the adjudicator.
It's hardly the most environmentally friendly challenge, Paige, is it? You're going to drain the national grid and we're going to use a couple of bottles of LPG to make 4 beautifully cooked pieces of toast.
You and your bro and my dad built a scaffolding rig in your kitchen that burns stuff.
Let's go, Paige. You ready?
Yep.
Yeah! Right. Good luck.
Yep. Away you go, mate. Take that with you. You may need it. In fact, you will need it.
Team Coleman, on your marks. Get set. Go!
Coleman's team load their contraption with bread, hoping the previous problems they've had with their applicator have been sorted.
All right. Ready. Turn up the heat. Turn up the heat. That's it. Now we're moving.
Murray aids the toasting manually, passing the finished piece onto the life coach Chris to eat.
All right. Yep.
The applicator and flames are working quickly. Chris's mouth isn't. He's struggling to eat the LPG-flavoured bread.
Last one.
All the bread is toasted. Chris now needs to put his life coach skills into practice and dissolve all of his negative feelings if he's going to complete his toast-eating task.
Oh, here we go.
The team's time now depends on him.
That's it.
And the crust as well.
Can't eat the crust. There we go. Hot water. He's joking. Right? Hit him on the back. He's got a bit of crust in his throat. More water. Water. Oh, stop. That's it. Ah! All right,
Coleman brothers.
A draining experience for Chris, whose throat really didn't come to the party, slowing his team down and giving Paige's team a real
That
chance.
was great.
Team Paigey, on your marks. Get set. Go!
All right. Okay, good man. Load the device.
Coming in.
Arm the device. Triggers on.
Ready.
Right.
Go.
Go.
Start the cooking.
Keep going. Bring the banks up, and we are cooking.
Paige's bread is locked and loaded. Now they just need to wait and let the halogens do their work.
Not a lot happening.
Is it starting to go brown?
Browning. Yep. We're looking good. We're looking really good. Really good. Nice. Even browning. Lovely.
Is there anything happening? I can smell it.
Yep, it's browning up nicely. I just want to get it perfect. I don't want to undercook it because you got to do your toast just right.
Whoa.
Here we go. Off for the power.
Ready.
Firing the device. Morning, dear.
The toast is done. Paigey has backed his own big mouth for the eating task ahead. In a controversial move, he's decided to crush up the toast, making it easier and faster to eat.
Jesus. I didn't know that was glass.
Paigey has added an unexpected element to the challenge, removing glass from the toast.
Idiots!
Avoiding the glass and applying liquid, Paigey gets down to the eating, while trying not to bring it back up.
The water's down here.
Man needs a drink.
Yourself.
Very angry man.
Swallow it,
Break that
Paige.
as well.
Well.
Come on, man, we're being timed. Finish it, come on. That's awesome. Time. Woo! Yeah.
Yeah! Oh, yeah! You guys rule. I left my broom in the shed.
Who's going to clean that up?
I'll clean that up when I come home from work, honey.
Maybe not the cleanest way to eat breakfast, but is it the quickest?
What
What were you doing?
Oh, we were going to make a tortilla of toast by hammering it flat. It's kind of...
The results are in. So, Team Coleman cooked and ate 4 pieces of toast in 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Team Pagey cooked and ate 4 pieces of toast and a bit of glass in 3 minutes and 16 seconds.
Pagey takes it out. A 4-slice toaster toasting by light. But if you've got a massive kitchen, need your toast fast, and have no aversion to fire, then the choice between the two is purely personal.